Welcome back to Hot Rod Guy Garage, and today went to a car show. Follow along through the intro, see what happened on the way there. So guys, it's later in the day at this point, and I'm going back and filming the intro and stuff for this video, and as you can see, it's all bright and sunny outside and dry and hot. Well, that wasn't the case this morning. I'm going to drop some footage in here on the way to the car show. Some car show footage along the way, some pictures. So follow along, enjoy that stuff. I'm gonna put some music over some of the video where there's some copyrighted music playing. Thanks to New Guy's Guitar for the non-copyrighted music. So y'all check out his channel too, and I'll be back towards the end. guys, I hope you enjoyed the footage that I'd gotten. Uh, wasn't a super huge turnout, most because of the weather, but it was a good turnout regardless. Now, there may be another car show here in a little while I may go to, and if so, I'll drop the footage in here before we get to this point. But if you're in the local area, if you're in Southeast Tennessee, North Georgia, Southern North Carolina, Northern South Carolina, there's a car show next weekend that you don't want to miss. It's put on by my buddy Easton Hot Rodder. His extracurricular activity car show and bike show and swap meet. This is next Sunday on June the 2nd from 1 to 5 p.m. So make sure you check it out. He's got this posted on his page too. It's going to be a good show. Always a big blowout turnout and a bunch of cars. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure you hit that like button on your way out. Share it with your friends, and most importantly, comment down below. Let me know if there's anything you've seen that you like or you got anything to add to the video. Always look forward to hearing your comments. And if you're not a subscriber and you're watching, I'd appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. If you are a subscriber, I really appreciate you that have subscribed, because it does help my channel to grow, which helps me bring you more content. So until next time, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.